Well, with our sensor solutions, we generally aim to make life easier for an engineer. All of this effort I can easily save using the IDC200. A high quality, top performing product, which is fast and has a really good image quality, for example.
Codes, codes, codes. 1D and 2D codes can be literally found everywhere around us. In factory automation, they enable a unique identification of components or traceability of products. A code reader transfers the information to a control unit. And that brings me to the question if there are differences between a code reader and a code reader. And believe me, they are. So Klaus, what does Baumer better when it comes to code reading?
Hi, Andrea. Well, with our sensor solutions, we generally aim to make life easier for an engineer. So with our new IDC200 Multicode Reader, we focused on developing a high-quality, top-performing product, which is fast and has a really good image quality, for example, but at the same time is really easy to operate.
How does this work?
Well, imagine I'm an engineer, and like most of us, I don't have much time, but I'd like to find out whether the IDC200 is a suitable solution for my application. I don't want to read a long manual or ask IT for permissions to get some software installed. All of this effort I can easily save using the IDC200 because all I have to do is connect the device to the PC using a USB cable and use a browser to access the integrated web interface.
Wow, and then I'm able to read the code?
Almost. All you have to do after that is press the auto setup button and the code reader will automatically read all codes that are within its field of view and set important parameters like exposure, time, or focus automatically. And that saves a lot of time. Now after that, you have all the relevant information in the web interface at a glance. One that I'd like to point out is the size reserve, which tells you how much smaller the module size of a code could be at that distance, and the code reader could still read the code well without a problem.
Oh, that's really great for the initial phase. And how does it work when it comes to actual operation? Do I still use the web interface, for example, for parameterizing the sensor?
No. During operation in the machine, you use the integrated process interfaces like Profinet or TCP-IP. And via those, you can parameterize the IDC200 all the way to downloading a complete job from the control system onto the device.
Great. Thanks a lot, Klaus, for those fascinating insights. Yeah. This shows that there are significant differences when it comes to code reading. The IDC200 enables fast and efficient work right from the start. It really makes code reading easy. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like. And we hope to see you soon back here on the Baumer YouTube channel. Bye!
Bye-bye.